Welcome back to our YouTube channel AxelBuzz Testing, where you will learn in easy simple way. So our today's topic is crowd beta testing. Nowadays this type of testing is widely used in software industry. So let's see what it means. So let's get started. What is crowd beta testing? Let's see first what is mean by beta testing. Beta testing is an opportunity for real users to use the product in production environment to uncover any bugs or issues before general release. Beta testing is a final round of testing before releasing the product to a wide audience. And when this testing done with the help of multiple engineers which are located anywhere in the world, or this testing is done with the specific crowd, then it becomes crowd beta testing. When to do this? It is always performed right after the completion of alpha testing, but before the product is released to the market or go live. Here product is expected to be at least 90 to 95% completed or stable enough for any platform. All the features should be released or almost fully completed. It depends on your audience type, like if you have larger audience in the future, like multiple users can access your app at a time, or your app is e-commerce app, location based app, then you can go to this crowd beta testing option. Next important question is why to do crowd beta testing. There will be two perspectives. As an employer, if you are an employer and you want to do crowd beta testing, then you will get so many testers available in the market as a crowd beta testers. There will be restrictions in the company like Wi-Fi, servers. There will be limited handsets or mobile sets. If you are launching the app, you will need to test it on different types of versions, different types of mobile phones. So in this case, crowd beta testing plays an important role, because every tester may have different types of mobiles plus different types of versions of OS. So you will get your test coverage can increase, and you will get app tested in different versions, so you will have greater test coverage. In this type of testing, employer hires tester or employers pays tester only if they found the bug, or only pay for bugs of higher severity or higher priority, or what is mentioned in the contract. So there is no need to hire testers, and you can just hire some crowd beta testers from the websites, and you can pay for bugs. As a software tester, I would always suggest you should participate in such crowd beta testing programs, because you will have second source of income. Second one, you will have your experience of different domains. You can use different types of apps, or you can see how the software cycle goes in different companies. So because of all these reasons, you can opt for crowd beta testing. How it is to be done in the industry? So there are actually 2-3 ways how it is to be done. First one is, there are registered crowd beta testing websites or apps. You can Google it or you can check it out, and you can register over there as a crowd beta tester if you want to do. Those sites will have different projects which are running as a beta testing. You can see over there, and you can choose or opt your suitable project for your beta testing. Those sites will pay you on hourly basis, or those sites will pay you, or what bugs you find depends on their severity or priority. Or second one is internally in the organizations. Few organization, big companies, what they do is, if they want to perform crowd beta testing, then they hire crowd beta testers from some agencies or these kinds of website. They ask them to come to their company and ask them to test the app 24/7 for 2 days or 3 days and find out the bugs. They don't need to pay for the testers, they have to just pay for the valid bugs which is having higher priority, higher severity, etc. So these kinds of programs nowadays started to be done in the big organization. If companies don't have enough resources, then they may ask other testing companies to perform crowd beta testing on behalf of them. So they outsource their project for 2-3 days before launching to these kinds of testing companies, and those testing companies perform beta testing for their outsourced employees. In crowd beta testers run the software on their devices to see if they can spot any errors, bugs, or areas of improvement. They can ask to look at the program as a whole or specific aspects such as feature testing, accessibility testing, functional testing, usability testing, etc. And then feedbacks and bugs will be shared to the customer in terms of video or screenshot. So customer will really appreciate the crowd testing because he gets real user experience. It pays only hourly basis or mostly for the bugs. So there will be taken care of negative reviews if they occur before the launch. So because of these reasons, people chose beta testing. So what are benefits of crowd beta testing? First one is you will get real bugs because real users are testing your apps. Then second one is quality assurance is great because real time bugs capture and client don't want their brand value to be compromised. So they chose crowd beta testing. Client can hire many testers for shorter period of time in less money. If your app is launching in USA or UK, then you can hire testers from those specific locations and you can do specific testing for particular regions. There will be greater coverage because tester will test on their different types of mobiles, different types of versions of their OS, or employer can restrict the test coverage by asking testers to perform testing on only Sony mobiles or only Apple mobiles, etc. It is actually cheaper than functional testing because client don't need to hire the testers, client need to pay only for bugs, so it becomes cheaper than your usual traditional types of testing. Let's see the drawbacks of this crowd beta testing. Main thing is confidentiality should be maintained in this chaos, but sometimes it get compromised. Then if anybody don't get bug, then he is not paid, or less priority bugs, less money. Testers management becomes very difficult in this scenario because so many testers, so many big crowd will be there. Sometimes you have to appoint one manager for handle these crowd beta testing crowds. So this is it for crowd beta testing. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, please hit the like button and share it to your friends and families. Subscribe to our channel. We post videos on every Tuesday and Friday. So till the next time, happy testing. Bye bye.